I used to switch between my calendar, notes app, task manager, and project software all day just to stay organized. It was slow, distracting, and honestly exhausting. Then, I discovered an AI tool that brought everything into one place and completely changed how I plan my workday. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I organize my entire workday using AI for free, from managing tasks and meetings to taking notes, planning projects, and automating repetitive work. Let's dive in. Head over to the Routine AI website using the link in the video description. Once you're there, you'll see that Routine is an AI-powered productivity platform designed to bring everything you need to manage your workday into one place. Routine is available on the web, Windows, macOS, iPhone, and Android, so you can seamlessly access your workspace across all your devices and stay productive wherever you are. Instead of juggling separate apps for your calendar, tasks, notes, meetings, and projects, Routine combines them into a single workspace where everything stays connected. It also includes powerful AI agents and features like an AI assistant and AI voice commands that can help you organize your schedule, capture meeting notes, automate repetitive tasks, and keep your workflow running smoothly. Whether you're a student, freelancer, content creator, or business owner, Routine is built to help you spend less time managing your work and more time getting things done. To get started, simply click the Get Started for Free button. The sign-up and onboarding process is quick, straightforward, and only takes a few minutes to complete. Once you're on the dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is connect your calendar. Routine supports Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, and Apple Calendar, so simply choose the one you use and complete the connection. This allows Routine to sync your schedule and keep all your meetings and events in one place. On the left-hand side, you'll find the main navigation menu. At the top is the Assistant, where you can simply type a request or use your voice to get things done. For example, you can ask it to schedule a meeting, create tasks, answer questions about your workspace, or help organize your day, all using natural language. Right below that is the Inbox, which serves as a central place for all your unattended items, including tasks, meetings, reminders, and anything else that needs your attention. As you continue down the menu, you'll also find sections for your agenda, calendar, tasks, notes, and other productivity tools that work together to help you stay organized. Now that you have a quick overview of the interface, let me show you how I use Routine AI to organize meetings with clients, manage my schedule, and keep everything running smoothly with minimal effort. To demonstrate how the AI assistant works, I'll click on the Assistant menu and enter a simple prompt like this. I have a meeting with the marketing manager of Bricks FM by 9 a.m. tomorrow. Could you book my meeting and set a reminder 1 hour before the time? Once the prompt is ready, I'll click Generate. Routine AI will analyze the request, understand exactly what needs to be done, and then begin carrying out the necessary actions. Depending on your request, the AI may ask for a few additional details before completing the task. After providing that information, the AI agent continues with the setup automatically. As you can see in the chat, it creates the meeting, schedules it on my calendar, and sets the reminder exactly as requested, all without me having to navigate through multiple menus or configure everything manually. Next, let me show you how I use Routine AI to create and manage tasks. Instead of manually creating one myself, I'll simply ask the AI assistant to create a task and send me an email reminder. In this example, I need to start working on my next set of videos within the next 3 hours. After submitting the request, Routine AI immediately understands what I need and gets to work. Within just a few seconds, it creates the task, schedules the appropriate reminder, and automatically sets up the event to send me an email notification at the right time. Everything is synchronized instantly. If I open my calendar, you'll see the reminder has already been scheduled. The task also appears in my workspace, keeping everything organized in one place. And if you check the Notes section, you'll notice that Routine has also generated notes related to these activities, making it easy to revisit the context whenever I need it, add more notes, label each of the scheduled events, and perform many more tasks depending on your use case. That's the kind of seamless workflow that makes Routine such a powerful productivity tool. As you can see, Routine has a lot to offer, and we've only scratched the surface in this tutorial. There are plenty of other features and workflows that would take much longer to cover in a single video. The good news is that Routine provides helpful guides, documentation, and learning resources to help you get the most out of the platform as you explore it. If you'd like to try everything you've seen in this video, I've left a link in the description where you can sign up and start using Routine for free. Give it a try and see how it fits into your own workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.